Rahul, you can study achievement. First line is Govind, 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 Sange, Namdev, Man Leena. Aad Dam ko Chipro, Hoyo, Lakhina. Then there is one digit. One. Then there are two lines, and then there is one word, that is Rahul. Rahul, these two lines will act for the whole Shabad. Suppose this whole Shabad is a wheel. Recite wheel. This whole Shabad is a wheel. And wheel always revolves around his axle. If there is no axle, wheel cannot revolve. So the whole Shabad you should always consider a wheel, and Rahul means his axle. So Rahul means the pivot of the wheel. Rahul means the gist. Rahul means the central idea. Rahul means the heading of that. Rahul means every line's meaning will be cleared by that Rahul. So Rahul line is that Namdev Bhagat, which was 200 years before Nanak. Nanak was not in this world. This Namdev Bhagat is so precious Bhagat of the body that it was born 200 years before Guru Nanak. And then how he met the God, how he found the God in himself. He writing that by repeating Govind, Govind, Govind. In this, in our whole Shabads, if God's name is repeated twice or thrice or many times, but not once, here you will see it is repeated 3 times. Where there you will find yourself in the whole of the ground. I am giving you a formula. I am giving you a thumb rule. You can explore the Bani better than many people in the Sikhs. Then you only understand this thumb rule. One thumb rule is this. When the God name is repeated, even in Govind, Govind, Hare, Hare, beta, meet children, Siddha Pata, be attentive. Otherwise, I will throw you out. Whenever, this is most important thumb rule, if you want to be Bhagat, if you want to be meditative, if you want to have God inside you, so this thumb rule always remember, you can guide many other people by this rule. This rule is not known to all the Sikhs, and this is the rule. If you know this thumb rule, I will give you the practice afterward. And you will always find that here is, but you will see that here is also repeated. So always find this thumb rule. But if this is where the God name is repeated more than one, then that means Nam Japa, the repetition of name. So Namdev, God, Govind, 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 Sange, Namdev, Man Leena. Leena means his mind was so much involved in it that Magan ho jana, Magan pata hai Leena ki hai? Leena hai, you might have seen the Bhangra, you might have seen the Gidda, and when it reads to, you might have seen that band, all are very much involved in that, and they make so much fun in that singing that they lost all their ideas, all the world and etc. They also Similarly, when you repeat the name of God, a stage will come that you will be so much fun in it, that will God's name. So Govind, 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 Sange, Namdev, Man, Leena. And he was very poor. Aad Dam means half of the penny. There is a dollar, there is many other, but suddenly a penny, and he was half penny man. So poor man. And Adam, so you know, but internal wealth was so much. He was Mr. Ford, the wealthiest man of the world. Adam ko half coin man, the half penny man. You know penny store? J.C. Penny? J.C. Penny store? That I will give you the reference. J.C. Penny store means he started from 1 penny. That businessman, J.C. Penny, he started his life story is that he started his store from 1 penny. Then he was spending the business so much progress that now it is a J.C. Penny. That's he named this store penny. Similarly, Namdev was a penny man, but he was millionaire in the internal God's wealth. So he made, but how he was made? Govind. That comes नाम जप repeat करके नाम सारा साड़ी the whole theory is you should revolve the dynamo of now. What is dynamo? Dynamo is that revolves and it produces power. So similarly, Bhakti repeat the name of Lord and there is so much energy, so much in our whole body, the whole universe is made from the world. What we are repeating, they give the energy to the God and this is the energy of the God. Nowadays, scientists are proving that this whole universe was made by the God through the sound. There are many theories how this universe came into existence. So the best theory is that now through physics they are proving that this whole world is made from sound. Similarly, in our Japji Sahib likha ek tita pasao ekko kawao teste hoye lakh dariyao. So this universe is made from sound. Our sound means shabad. So the whole world utpate parlo shabde hobe sabde hi fir utpat hobe. God made this whole universe through the power of our Shabad which we repeat. So that's why Govind, 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 Sange Naam Piyo Manavina, Ardam Ko Shiparo Hoyo Lakmina, you are Mother Rahao. But Rahao means action of the wheel. Whole Shabad is wheel. And then Rahao is action. If you understand Rahao, you can understand the whole of the line. Now every line will just focus on the Rahao. The next Bhakti name is Bonana Tanana Tyake Peer Chan Kabira. Kabir was a weaver. Bonana Tanana Tyake Peer Chan Kabira Neech Kula Jurahara Payo Huni Gehira. All the Bhagavats, this is a wonderful thing that God always created the best Bhagat of the world from the very low state, because the upper class people were hating the lower classes. So God created this in the lower classes, and that is also the kindness of God. So that now all the bhagavats are of the lower classes. Neech Kula Jadahara Sahav Puni Gehira. Ravdas Vanta Torni, that was the leather man who Rota Torni Tin Tyagi Maya Pargato Asad Sange. Sad Sange means Sadguru Kasang. Inwardly, he met the Sadguru inside. Sad Sangha Darshan Har Darshan Paya. God was seen by him. Har Darshan Paya. Rab dekh liya na pa. Har darshan paya, Sain Nai Buddhkarya Kar Kar Sunya. The Sain Nai was just a postman or messenger. Oh, he was also famous. Hirde Vasya Parma. A Ved Sun Ke Jatun. A Ved this way of meditation. Dhanna Ka. That all these bhagavats by only this method. What is that method? No, first say we should search in Rahao. Every line, if you are not understanding the whole Shabad, just focus your mind on the Rahao, you will get the idea. In Ved sun ke, what is that Ved? What is that way? Govind, Govind, Govind. Repeat, you can also be see God inside you. You can be also with that spirit God. Many years ago, there was all those kingdoms, all those great people, nobody knows them. But these bodies are still known to, and you are studying them. So that is the greatness. So, ये विद सुन के डाट रोड पत्ती मिले प्रत्यक्ष गोसाइयां धन्ना वड भागा धन्ना was so lucky that, but he obtained from Rahao. We should also, so everybody can have by repeating the name and the method which Guru teaches us. So today we learn the most precious thing of this Shabad, that whenever there God's name repeated from 1 to 2 to 3 times, at once say that it is Naam Japa, repetition. Okay, clear?
Everybody understand the process now? Okay, so next one we're gonna do is
नित गायो आको पयो सहाय और नानक मैं यही भरोसा है गही आने शरण आए. हाँ, ये our last महल्ला है, महल्ला 9. जेड़े महल्ले 9 का ज्ञान है, that is a digested knowledge, because महल्ला 9, our 9th Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib, has studied all the previous jnana of the previous Gurus. And then he has written few songs, but very deep songs. They are very simple, but they are very deep. Mahalla, 9th Guru, our Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib, hasn't written much jnana, much knowledge, but he has written few songs and very deep songs. And in this song, we have the correct history of our Gwandi Yug, jada hune our is Kaljug, sada jada neighbor Yug hai, that is Mahabharata Yug, Mahabharata time. Mahabharata ka time de jehde sab to vade character si inna ne oh likhna कि की असल चीज की. तो इस करके इन्हां दी खूबी ये है कि छोटा जा गीत होगा, छोटा जा सॉन्ग होगा और पढ़ने में बड़ा सिंपल होगा, but very deep. Now we are starting from मारू महल्ला 9वां और इन्हां दे विच जिहड़ी मैं तुहानूं दस्सिया सब तो इन्हां दे गीतां दी खूबी ये है कि इन्हां दा रहाव पहला है. आ देखो रहाव है एक्शन ऑफ द बीट, जिद्दां पहिया सारा एक्शन घूमदा, इस तरह जो रहाव के दुआरे सारे शब्द घूमते. अगर तुम रहाव समझ गए सारे शब्द समझ आ जाए. इस करके रहाव जो बड़ा जरूरी है. दैट इज दी पिवट ऑफ द गेम, दैट इज दी एक्शन ऑफ द बीट, दैट इज दी सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ द होल ऑफ द शब्द, दैट इज दी हेडिंग ऑफ द समरी. सो हेडिंग की है साडा भी हर को नाम सदा सुखदाई, जाको सिमरे अजामल उदरियो गन का हुंगत पाई. Now there are two names here, Ajamal and Ganka. These are the male prostitute and the female prostitute. Ganka female prostitute and male was the Ajamal male prostitute. So much lower their character was, but they also by the reciting name or naam, Lord's name with them, they also have the better position and they targe मतलब उन्होंने प्यार को नाम सदा वो भी अपने अंदर वो पेशा छाड़ के और सारा को प्रोस्टिट्यूशन छाड़ के सब कुछ वो भी रब के पास. ये रहा जी तो क्या इस करके अखीरली तुक कहती भी अखीरली तुक कहती भी जब एडे गहरे प्रोस्टिट्यूट ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਬਾਹ ਪਾਪੀ तर गए तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता। इस करके रब के नाम की एडी वडियाई है भी जिहदे नाल ਇਹ एडे तर गए हुण अगली कहानी देणगे भी मैं भी क्यों ना वो भी आसरा लवां। इस करके कहो नानक मैं यही भरोसे इसे फेथ के उत्ते बाय दिस फेथ आई एम नाउ आई आल्सो reciting the name and I will also have a bhakti line। तो इस करके मैं कहो नानक मैं यही भरोसे गही आन सकना है। इस गही का इसका भाव यह निकलता भाई the whole ज्ञान in our whole this book there is no pessimistic view। This is the greatest thing in this ज्ञान। ज्ञान will be this our Purna Brahm Gyan Guru Granth will always give you the optimistic view। Don't be disheartened if you have failed many times previously, if you have done many sins previously, don't be pessimistic। You can still be a Purna Bhagat or you can still be a fine man, but there is a way we har ko naam sada sakta hai। That is how accept Naam, it's so powerful. Lord's name has got so much power. If you also want to become a very high man, then have the Lord's name bhakti mar। हर को नाम सदा सुखदाई जाको सिमर अजामल उदरियो गण का होगा पाई रहा। पंचाली को राजसभा में राम नाम सुधे आई। द्रौपदी, that is Panchali means she in that joke that this was really a Bhartani and a very good woman, but on the other hand at that joke she got 5 husbands, 1 wife 5 husbands। Now in Mohammedan 1 husband 5 just see this is true history। But they were very honest with each other। That is their character। That's why। So पंचाली को राज you know that उन्होंने नंगी करने के लगे जुए च हार गए सारा कुछ, फिर वो जनानी भी जुए च हार गई। उस करके वो सारी जड़े बड़े बड़े लोग आजकल कहते हैं भी जनानी की इन्नी वैल्यू सी महाभारत की उन्हें जुए च ला देंगे। ये जनानियां कितना सार गई भी जुए च हार गया। फिर इतने बस नहीं, फिर उन्होंने भरी सभा च मिनिस्टर बैठे सारे बैठे रिश्तेदार बैठे उन्होंने फिर नंगी कर लगे। आ सकता कर दिस इज द सिविलाइजेशन। एक बीबी का इन्ना अपमान करो तां जाके कि उन्हें फिर कहा भी मैनू उस वेले रब के नाम की आई और मैं पुकारी मैं भी बच गया। कोई नंगी नहीं हो सकती। ऐसी पावर रब के नाम से है। वो सारे मुँह की चपेट पई, बल्कि उन्होंने सारे टायर्ड हो गए लारा कपड़े वो जिन्हें नहीं कल होट कपड़े है। वैसी नाम की वड्याई इन्होंने कहता जी कृष्ण कपड़े भेजे नहीं। हर को नाम सदा सकते यो एक सतदान खूबी है कि गुरु तेग बहादुर साहब ने वो चीज़ लिखी है कि वो नाम ना मन जपना बन सकेगी ना कि किसी बंदे ना या देवते ना या किसी ना कपड़े थे। हर को नाम जाको पंचाली को राजसभा में कृष्ण की सुध नहीं आई, राम नाम सुध है। इस करके नाम ना बजाया सारे उसके लिए अजामल गणका इन्होंने सारे ताको दुख हरियो करना में अपनी पैज रखाई। अपने नाम की पैज लॉर्ड ने अपने नाम की पैज रखाई कि यहो जे पापी बंदियां ने तार दिता तो उन्होंने लाज रह गई। तो कहता जे नाल जस कृपा ने जगाया ताको कहना हुण भी जेड़ा बंदा भी नाम जपेगा उत्ते जरूर कृपा करेगा। क्योंकि कबीर साहब का इट वर्गा फेस है लाइक ब्रिक। कबीर साहब कहते कहो कबीर अखर दो भा होएगा खत्म तो लेगा, जो नहीं है तो नहीं रखेगा। क्योंकि तुम नाम जपते हो इस फेस ने जपना कि तेरा नाम जप रहे हैं जे तो गॉड इज जे तो तू है तो तू जरूर रखेगा। तो जे तू नहीं रखना तो तेरे नाम की पैज नहीं है। मैं तो तेरा नाम जप लिया तेन लोग कह देखो जी वह नाम जपी का तो बहुत है। इस करके वो भी फसिया पिया नाम के इस कंडीशन भी वह जो नाम जपांगे भगतां ने कंडीशन लाती कहो कबीर अखर दे पाक होएगा कसम तो लेगा रात। असी भी तान मानना उन्होंने अपना समझ के नाम जपना भी तेरा नाम जप दे। जे तू नहीं रखेगा तो तेरी बदनामी है मेरा कुछ। तो इस करके ये है जहाँ कृपा ने जगायो ताको पे सहाई आ फिर अपना महला जो नौवा है वो कहता भी नाम ने कही चल मैं भी कहो नानक मीन्स यू शुड आल्सो रिपीट द नेम ऑफ गॉड कहो नानक मैं यही भरोसा आ जी उतरिया मसाला दी इन्होंने बंदियां दियाँ मैं आ भरोसा जानती भी है तो नाम तो नहीं सकती है कि मैं इन्ना पाप इन्ने गुनाह इन्ने सिंस मैं किए हैं वो सारे उनके मैं ही भगत बन सकता कहो नानक मैं यही भरोसे यही आने शरण आई कि मैं भी हम तेरी 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 लैब के विच आ गया एक लैब कंप्यूटर होंगे ना गो कहते रब मैं उन्होंने कहते गही आन शरण आई मैं तेरी शरण की तेरी गोद चुनती है मेरा गोद फिजिकल नहीं है इतने कोई हर चीज़ स्पिरिचुअल है मैं अपने विचार अपने ख्याल अपनी आइडियाज़ के विच मैं तेरी गोद जे तू मैनू नहीं रखेगा तो बदनाम होना मेरा कुछ नहीं करना वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा
लगा नहीं दूजे पासे चले तो बैक
कोई बच्ची ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਬੈਠ ਜਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਤੇ ਬਾ ਠੀਕ ਆ
You did not finish? Okay. Number 4 ਦੇ ਫਿਨਿਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ? ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੱਥ ਕਿਉਂ ਖੜਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ? ਚਲੋ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਦੇ ਦੂੰਗੀ। ਹੁਣ ਨੰਬਰ 5 ਤੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਬੈਕ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ। हे ਪ੍ਰਾਨੀ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹਾਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ? हे ਪ੍ਰਾਨੀ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਧਾ ਰਾਰਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਥੱਲੇ। ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਮੈਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਪਾਇਆ। हे ਪ੍ਰਾਨੀ आ करना पा दिता प्रा ना सब ने सीख लिया बहुत सोहना लिख रहे हो तुसी हे प्राणी देखो नाम नू ए नाम दे थल्ले में की पाता औंकड़ कल सीखिया सी ना रविंद्र आंटी तो हे प्राणी एको नाम नू सोना सोना लिखना नाम नू जप ये थोड़ा जिहा लंबा हैगा पर मैनू पता तुसी स्मार्ट हो तुसी लिख लेना ये सेंटेंस ना थोड़ा लंबा हे प्राणी एको नाम नू जप ते अपनी अपनी फिर ब्लैंक मार उन्हें मैं पूछना ना ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਸਿਲੈਕਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਰਡ ਇੱਥੇ ਭਰਨ ਦਾ हे ਪ੍ਰਾਣੀ ਏਕੋ ਨਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਜਪ
so that's why we do it early in the morning whenever we get out of the
So we talk about Sadhguru. Sadhguru की है, नाम की है, नाम ही जपया अपने थोड़ा. So we had a good time. I had a good time. I hope you all had a good time too.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ
खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
And I'll take you very preliminary to get it down course and the next batch is Sara will be full. Then this whole shield and
Motorcycle
part will be taught to you.
stand लाया यार.
First is that get job. First of all, the first ABC of this art is called Tantra. Tantra. Tantra means a trick if you had got nothing in your hand. Nothing. And a man comes with a sword or any weapon and he just want to kill you. Then there is a tantra. When they prevent you must move like that. That will go down. This is the first saving step. That if you have got nothing in your hand, you should run the tantra so that he can go better. And the sword will go down. And when they go down, you pick it up. Then it can't win. So the first tantra is you should be so quick, so active that whenever you create this space, don't disturb. Don't just found that. Focus on the bachyan kar rahe ho, kisi time or thoda ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇਵਾਂ ਔਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਬੜਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ੀਅਸ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਈ ਮਤਲਬ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਜਕ੍ਰਮ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਕਲੋਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਦਾਂਗਾ ਕੋਈ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਮੇਨ ਗੈਸਟ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੰਨਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਦਾ ਠੀਕ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕਲੋਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਦਾਂਗਾ ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਟ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਰਨ ਕਰੋ ਉਹ ਬੜਾ ਐਸਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇਖੇ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਡਿਸਿਪਲਨ ਸਾਡੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਫਸਟ ਆਫ ਆਲ ਯੂ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਡਿਸਿਪਲਨ and the second point is your recipiency. Recipiency means the receiving power. What I say, you receive everything. That is the best student. First, what is the name of the first trick? Like, what is that first trick? Pantra. Pantra means changing the shape. You should not change like this. Not. You will be delayed. You will be cut in two at that time. Just see. No. You should be just on that side. That's called Pantra, and I'll give you first taste. Now your feet should be like that. Not like this or that, no. First you bend and there is nothing in your hand, then you should be ready. And you should always, your eyes should never go anywhere else. Always in the eyes of the enemy. Who is attacking you, you should always see him. And always never say any others. You always eyes in eyes and eye for eye. Okay? Just yes. This should now you should come. Put up your hand. Come here. In the just like this. First foot forward, then back up, then this way. Go. Oh no, not back. First foot forward. Just back. Same. Read this. No. Again come here first. Stop. Good. Just first. No. Just forward. That should be vacant. Okay, now this same. No, oh no!
Sorry.
Yeah, be quick. But you are very slow. Be quick and see. No, that is wrong. Again, always see forward. No. Don't make smiling face. You are not giving a smile. You have to just drink the blood of your enemy. Why are you doing this?
Good.
And so, just go. Yes. Yes. Go on, go on. That's right. That's good. Like boxer coming in the arena, you know? Yeah, just. Oh! That's right. Be good, be good. Yes, be. That's right. Oh!
You're rushing.
Oh no! Be. Yes. Oh! That is why it is called Tantra. Yes. Go there. Next please.
Way too fast, man.
Again. Have you taken the drug? Be serious. No. Be serious and intellectual. No. Next up. Oh, good. Oh. Next come. But why have you not see attentively? I mean, not to be expected by go now. Yes, yes. Oh no! Yeah, no, no. You stand there. That's fine. Next. Practice, don't lose your time in the grass and here. Practice if you want to learn this out. That's chalo. Finish. You learn now. Let's go. Oh. Chalo go. Oh, fine. Now let's learn from them. No, come again, please hold the line. I'll give you the next lesson. Now, the same pattern you will learn from them. I will give you that. We have just today ABC and started. Just give you the momentum of this art that you should begin that how interesting it is. If it's not interesting, I'll make it interesting. Yes. Now if the sword is in my hand or a stick, I should stand always like this. I will, along with the panthera, I will save my whole body with this stick. Just see. In one hand, shield in one hand, another. I always along with the panthera and seam front. Okay, Kamala.
That's stupid.
ऐसा तो पूरे कवर कर ताकि वो अगर मारता है ना तो स्टिक की तारीफ कर करो yeah yes oh yes that's why you want finished. I'll give you only one shield more. You do like that, then I'll give you the next lesson. Oh, no. This is not a dancing skill. No. You should all practice. That's right. That's now the next lesson. Bring one. You. Now the real fight starts. Here. Now, don't stand here. Forget it. This is for practice. Now you will always stand just like this and see in my eyes. Okay? Ready? So first step is that I'll just have a stick on your ear. Don't bend back. Main straight, eyes and eyes, and just see. Now stand here. That's forward. What my leg is, here you should stand like it. Yes. Don't move now. Now I'll just have a stick on your exact on ear. No, not like this. Okay. Otherwise this will slip and this will cut, sword will cut your head. That's the first step. Very slow. Don't make much noise. Very polite. You are learning. Okay? Your ear is here. Now from this I'll have the, don't move. I'll have this here. First here, here. Just. That will from here, you will see it. You have saved this. You have saved this. Then I put a strong stroke on your head. So first here, then. Okay? Don't move any other. Just see. 1, 2, 3. These are called first 3. Okay? Now be quick. Here. Here. Okay? 3. Now 4. 4. I'll. Stand like me. I'll just have a war on this shoulder. I want to cut your shoulder. So you should save the shoulder. Not like this, the hand will be cut. Keep it here and you should stay and here. Then, okay? I'll go on. There. Now you put a stroke on my this shoulder. There. Then I'll put on the other shoulder. Then you change your. Yes. Now, yeah, these are the 4th. Just see. First, I'll make. I'll start on your, on the shoulder. No. Yeah. Yeah. No, on the head. On your hand. Now repeat the first 3. Now you put a stroke on my head. Please, okay? Again. Now, when I charge you. Then you go back. When you charge, I'll say my son guy going back on. 3. Go back. Now you come. Yes. Yeah. 3. Then 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I teach you up to 30. So take then the free 5. I can track you at any time. So that will make practice. And this is the best exercise. You should daily, I am aiming here, I will take the other classes later on. So now this is the first, just show the first. Answer. Yeah. No, the steps are right, but you should go like this. Okay, then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5th is like this. I'll give you some time more. Both the ears I will strike. Then both the ankles. Straight. No, don't move. You should also revolve. That is yes. Very soft. You should also revolve. Yeah. Backwardly, then strike mine. You should go my side. Okay? Yes, again. On the. Hey, don't forget it. Okay, that's the 5th. That's the 5th. Now I'll give you the 6th. Just see. After 4, after these 2 ears, 2 ankles, then I'll at once attack your abdomen. Just see. So don't worry. You are my soul. Lovely student.
Down, just my arm. Down to, then I. That you will save you from squatting. Then you just press, I once on your head, then to this. Press first this, then on this. Because I will know there's no time to attack any parameter of the structure, especially this. So those should say this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the same. So next now we will show you later on. Let us, I will give the exact then these are the hands, these are called hands. The hath, ten chara, panja. Hath means tackle with the enemy. So this is the first to save the whole of the body by only stick. And this is the best technique. I think you might have some sweating very well. So rest of this video is completed. Although now the most important thing is that along with this whole game you have to react. Just 5. Always. And when you, in this game, when you walk, you should always walk. And when you jog, then on 4 steps forward, just like that is more easy by jogging. Then I'll take your whole class with Simran also, Naam also. Then there will be many weapons more. Interesting things. So nobody knows the complete game in these days. But these karate, kurunte, these are all not, they can't compare it with this game of these things. They do with the enemy. Ahmed Shah Badali or in the Zufar. I'll give you the full lesson later on. So this is better. Let us say, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji. Okay, yo. Very good.
हाँ भाई
No, I have to do that because, yeah.
Just like those Lupangas. The same thing. Before we don't say line to you.
Same line.
You are a good soldier. Shabash. You can go, yes sir. Okay. Achha. Next is breathing more oxygen inside you by with the stress. More oxygen. Oxygen is our life. It will go in our lungs and will come out with dioxide, as a carbon dioxide. Also, the next step is that if you want to be more release, more easy, and with it just like this. On each step, one word. We have got 4 words. 2 words in 2 steps. Vahe, then Guru in the other 2. Yes. The proper rhythm. Okay? Yes. But Vahe all in here, Guru all in. Guru please. No, no. Fail. 0 number. Now again try. No, no, just that is very just that is again. Then exhale. start. Say. More oxygen inside. That's fine. Again say. Now get the steps. Okay? The same measure will not jogging. You please. Again, come. Just one word on one step. He, go, ru. Again, see. Be attentive. That's the step. Yes. Yes. Fine. Fine. Go, have one circle, have one ground. Yes. Have one, come back again immediately by running. Don't delay, we have got less time. Just sit, fine. Now jogging will start, okay? And I will be with you, okay? Just sit. First sit. Same thing, but by jogging. Okay, say. That's fine. Oh, I can sleep. Yes, sir. On each step. This is your drum. Go on. Go on, have a full circle.
Full circle.
Then all combinedly and loudly. First, that's fine. You take rest, let them come. Then make it line of two. Two each, two lines.
Two lines of each.
Okay.
2 lines of each.
Listen, all
Let them make two each. Now, you are my bogies and train. I will be including them. Okay? Is there any need of shunting? Or okay? All bogies are okay? And have a. You are not taking drugs. Okay? Or loudly.
चलो
Loudly. Equal sound, equal step, like military. Equal sound with the same sound that they voluptuous music, with the same sound, drums and such. I think you have been doing disco. Yes, okay? Don't go fast. many bookies are behind you. Okay? Just loudly, you follow their sound. मैं तोंदा हिला दूं फड़ के जरा खाई सारी भी तो मैं लिहाज कर रहा ना ये जीबा ना कदर लापस
सारा फूड खत्म कर लेंगे
स्टैंड नाउ प्लीज नाउ रिलैक्स डोंट रीड नेम गॉड्स नेम नो डू then I'll give you the other exercises. Just see. You don't do that, just catch it for the future lesson. Next. Then. Okay, then back. Oh, everything, do the whole groundwork, good exercise and with shower shot. Okay, with the handspring, very thing. Because I've been the champion of gymnastics also. Then I will give you that horse, those rings, then parallel bar, horizontal bar. I feed you everything. So, God says, but you always recite God's name. This is the best way to get oxygen more enough and some music enough. So that is a bit Shabbat. So now we will see first Shabbat. First simply, then with more rhythm. Okay? Just follow me. Loudly, don't say I was 75 years old. You are young. This was the Vyas of all the sects in the jungle, then all the mountains on the horse also they will do like that.